What's up with it, y'all? It's Richard D, and I'm back with some more. Hey! Yes, sir. Man, let me get right into this shoe right here, man. It is Air Jordan 1 Low SP. It's a size 14. Nah, I know what y'all thinking, man. These are the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low reverse mochas, and I didn't pay that ticket on them. I went across them waters for these, man. Yes, sir. I crossed the water plug. I hit them up sometime from time to time for a shoe if I know I'm gonna not pay that strength for it, their resale price, and I know I'm just gonna wear them and beat them. I got an event coming up in a couple months, and I wanted something to put on feet to wear, just to say I, got something on feet to wear. But yeah, I wasn't paying that $12, $13, $15, $1,600 for these. No way, no how. But yeah, let me go ahead and get into this review. This is a UA rep pair. Y'all see the box. To me, the box is a little small for a size 14, but that's the way they come across the water. They try to make stuff as small as possible. Just the top, the lid. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got the paper, the pink paper with the Nike emblems, Jordan Nike Air emblems and all that stuff on it, signs and stuff. We pull back the paper and we got the shoe. Bam, 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 bam. Yes, sir. So, you got them laces in there. The material feels good. Your back was swoosh. Yeah. Yeah, I had to go ahead and pause the music. I think I'm going to get a copyright strike, but it is what it is. I don't care. Hopefully they don't take my video down. But I wanted to show y'all, this is one shoe right here. It's the back of with the sicko mode face. Get the shoestrings out. And I'm going to give y'all some B-roll on how they looking also. Got the shoestrings. Got one pair of shoelaces in the shoe. And it comes with these two pair of shoestrings. Brown, it looks like a cream. And I think pink or red. Whatever color that is. Let's see how they coming. There y'all go, man. Yep, so they do come with the shoestrings. Get the other shoe out the box. I actually just sold this box. I don't usually, if I get a rep shoe, I usually don't keep the box because I'm beat the shoe and pretty much donate it to Goodwill or something when I get done wearing it. That's basically what I do when I get rep shoes. Most of my shoes are retail pairs, but sometimes I go across the wall if it's hard for me to get a shoe and I know I'm not going to pay their resale price. But yeah, here's the shoes right here. Show y'all the tongues. Got that Cactus Jack on one tongue, on the other tongue. Nice shoe. I may go back and try and get me another Travis Scott low. Or I may go back and get the Mocha highs Travis Scott's. I don't know. But either way, I paid, I think, $120, $125 for these. Across the water. Y'all can see the backs. The bottoms. But yeah, man. I got them. Travis Scott low reverse mochas in my collection. In the size 14. I'm going to wear them, beat them, and give them away. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And until next time, y'all stay blessed. Peace.